Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss idioms of CSS English paper 1979. So let's start. Taken down a peg. It means to be humbled or to have one's pride or arrogance diminished. यानी आजिज होना या किसी का गुरूर या तकब्बुर कम होना. Example sentences. After losing the championship, the arrogant boxer was taken down a peg by the underdog. To monkey with. It means to tamper with or meddle in something, often in a mischievous or unauthorized manner. यानी किसी चीज़ के साथ छेड़छाड़ या मुदाखलत करना, अक्सर शरारती या गैर मजाज तरीके से. Example sentences. The technician warned not to monkey with the computer settings. If you are not familiar with them, you might cause a malfunction. In hot water. It means to be in trouble or facing difficulties, typically due to one's actions or decisions. मुसीबत में पड़ना या मुश्किलात का सामना करना आम तौर पर किसी के आमाल या फैसलों की वजह से. Example sentences. After forgetting to submit the important report on time, Sarah found herself in hot water with her boss. Petticoat government. It means a situation where a woman or a group of women has a dominant or controlling influence in a social, political or domestic context. एक ऐसी सूरत हाल जहाँ एक औरत या ख़वातीन का एक ग्रुप समाजी, सियासी या घरेलू तनाजुर में गालिब या कंट्रोल करने वाला असर व रसूख रखती है. Example sentences. In that progressive society, women were at the forefront of decision making, leading to a subtle petticoat government. To pull oneself together. It means to regain control of one's emotions or composure, to become calm and composed. यानी किसी की अपनी जज्बात या सुकून पर दोबारा कंट्रोल हासिल करना या पुरसुकून होना. Example sentences. After receiving the unexpected news, Maria took a deep breath to pull herself together before facing the difficult situation. To rise from the ranks or come up through the ranks. To advance in a hierarchy or organization, especially starting from a lower or entry level position. दर्जाबंदी या तंजीम में आगे बढ़ना, ख़ास तौर पर निचली या दाखिले की सतह की पोजीशन से शुरू करना. Example sentences. He began as an intern but through hard work and dedication, he rose from the ranks to become the company's CEO. To rub shoulders. It means to mix socially or to be in close contact with people, especially those who are influential or important. यानी समाजी तौर पर गोल मिल जाना या लोगों के साथ करीबी रब्ता करना, ख़ास तौर पर उन लोगों के साथ जो कि बाअसर या अहम हो. Example sentences. In the glamorous world of Hollywood, actors often get opportunities to rub shoulders with directors and producers at exclusive events. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.